The one question I'm asked most frequently when a client comes to me for a headshot is, how do I prepare? Well, I have a lot of things I could talk about, but I'm going to cover the top 3 things that I think are really important. I'm Linda Kazares, where photography is your best visual marketing tool, and you can come here for your inspiration. Okay, so that's 3 items. First is the skin. I suggest 48 hours before you start hydrating, you get a lot of sleep, and maybe you want to cut back on any kind of alcohol if that's something you do. Clothing. Make sure that your clothing are crisp and clean and fit. I've had experiences where clients haven't paid attention to that and it just doesn't come out that right. Sleeves. Unless your arms are really toned or you're a fitness instructor, I suggest that you wear something with sleeves, at least to the elbow. Now, a headshot is generally the chest up, so 3/4 length sleeves are fine. It won't show your arms. You want to avoid things that will take away from your face, that will distract from you, and we'll talk more about that in a second. Same thing with men with t-shirts that show from an open collar. Again, it takes away from your skin. Now, there are certain industries where that's appropriate because it's a standard, but generally speaking, it's better not to wear that t-shirt. Jewelry for women. Unless you're in an industry where you're selling jewelry or where it's really important, I suggest that you keep the size of your jewelry down. I wear small earrings. That's just my preference. I don't wear a necklace. That's my preference. Okay, finally, it's follow your comfort zone. Work with your photographer before your photo shoot and communicate with that person what your goals are, how you're going to use it. And that way the photographer can work best with you for the outcome that you're looking forward to. So I hope these were helpful tips. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like tips in the future, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.